Good morning, HB. If I sound a little muffled, it's because I've got something over my face. It's cold out today. You can see the wind whipping. And 27 degrees a few minutes ago. Wind chill's probably 20, something like that. Just let the chickens out. Temperature's dropping down to 12 later this evening. Better get out and do what you want to do there, HB. He has been quiet this morning. No crowing at all. Pretty laid back. There we go. Finally got one. And seem to be too affected. Now they do have their chicken house, which is probably 10-12 degrees warmer than it is outside here. Not heated, but it stays warm from just from all the insulation and having all of their biomass in there. Looks like everybody's doing okay this morning. Better eat all the carbs you can. It's going to be cold today. Well, I think that's enough for this morning for me. HB, you have a good day, buddy. I'll be back later to feed some more scratch and to get everything buttoned up here later in the day. Drink plenty of water. Get plenty to eat. Have a good day, buddy.